Good morning. Hello again and welcome to my new vlog. Today I'm happy because it's sunny and it's also Sunday, so I went out to have breakfast as you could see, and then I had to do my weekly grocery shopping to be prepared for the next few days when I'm at work. And as well tonight I think I'm gonna make some meals for the next few days, so just to be prepared and not to have to worry every day about the food. I just came home quickly to change and maybe I'm gonna have coffee before going out again, but I don't think I'm gonna spend so much time out even though it's sunny. It's very cold, so I'm gonna take a little walk through the park actually, but the final destination for today is the Fondation Louis Vuitton. And if you are an architect, maybe you know this building because it's designed by Frank Gehry and it's a very monumental building and very in Frank Gehry style. You will see what I mean if you don't know who he is. And that's the biggest plan for today. I hope you are okay and I hope you are enjoying these mini vlogs from Paris. And yeah, I'm gonna take you around with me for a few days like always. As I mentioned before, and now you can see it, this building is very particular, and Frank Gehry, the architect, was actually inspired by sailboats. So can you believe that there are over 3,000 glass panels that are individually shaped and made into these perfect curves that he wanted? We wanted to see it a bit better and closer, so first we went to the roof where you can be very close to the structure, but as well throughout the building you just keep exploring some new corners and just finding out about new rooms. So the whole building is overall a bit chaotic, but it's interesting this way, so we just kept walking around. I didn't also know that from this point of view you can see around Paris. Of course now since it's winter the park wasn't so green, but I'm just imagining how nice it might be in summer or even in spring when it starts blooming and you can see at the end of the woods Paris and even the new area. Probably it looks way better than now, but we still enjoy the views and sun, which is very important. And after this we went to explore the exhibition. Currently they have the exhibition about pop art. It's definitely not my favorite, but I still enjoy the colorful moments, so it was nice to see and walk around the building. We stayed for hours inside in the end, but since it's Sunday we decided to just go home and rest for the upcoming week. Did you like the building? It was very fun to walk around.
Yes, in the auditorium room.
Hello, today is my turn to cook for my colleagues at work, so I'm gonna make some pasta. I will make my famous mushroom spinach pasta. I mean, there is no turn, it's about if someone wants to cook or not. So they told me, if you want, you can make pizza, because I told them that I did a course in Naples, which, by the way, tip, don't tell your co-workers what you do on vacation. No, I'm joking. But yeah, I realized that pizza is gonna be way harder to make. I hope they're gonna like it. I'm done for today and I'm going out to meet my friend for dinner. Finally sunny. Hello guys, after 80,000 days of this vlog, finally it's sunny and life is good again. I'm going to meet my friend now in the Luxembourg Garden, so we're going to take a little walk and enjoy this sunny day. Everybody came to Luxembourg Gardens today. The Eiffel Tower. Oh, cool. Look. Oh, wow.
I like it.
Yeah, it's cool. over. Finally, we're going up. Let's see. I hope the view is nice and that we see the sunset. If there is any sunset, though it's a bit cloudy. Now we have a lot of stairs. I don't know why I was expecting a lift, but there is. We made it here. Where are you? On the top of Paris. Well, what a nice sunset. That was so much fun, and even though there wasn't an amazing sunset, I think maybe this is the best timing to come when it's changing from day to night. So we could also see then Paris by day, and then it's slightly turned into this like blue color, and the Eiffel Tower started shimmering, so it was pretty nice to see. And now I'm walking back home. I think tonight I'm just gonna rest for a bit because it's Sunday and tomorrow is another Monday and I have work to do. I'm just gonna eat dinner, watch something and just chill and sleep. But in any case, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today was a nice day. I hope that warmer days are coming and sunny days are coming, and yeah, I'm definitely enjoying this Paris more than winter gray cold Paris. So yeah, it's becoming better and better. So I will see you soon in my next vlog.